Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, we are going to discuss a lot of stuff that made traders to lose money even when they are right in market direction. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes to a very high level of audience. So the topic is support, resistance, error, problems in forex synthetic market. Support, resistance, error, problems in forex synthetic market. Okay, so this has been the reason why a lot of both experts and amateur traders lose money. Okay, when this error exists, you lose money, probably because you think you are going to miss the trade or you enter the trade late, and so this error, this support resistance error, make you lose money. And right here I'm going to address this issue so that you'll be able to add it to your success. So we are going to start with theory and we'll go to practical. So right now we have, this is a resistance, for instance. Okay, this is a resistance, and let's assume that this in the higher time frame, the higher time frame, the 3D higher time frame, the monthly, weekly, daily is telling us to sell. Okay, if it is telling us to sell, okay, now we have to step down to check for the entry time frame, depending on the type of trader you are. For me, I would recommend 4 hours and 1 hour. So we go to 1 hour and 4 hours, and we are looking for resistances on this time frame, 4 hour and 1 hour. We are looking for resistance there. Okay, but the problem is you might miss this resistance, or when you miss it, it is an error. So when you enter the market where the price is very far from the resistance, you enter a sell, for instance, and this sell is far away from resistance, the market tends to go back to the resistance, giving you losses and drawdown. And in most cases, you want to minimize your risk, like you want to get high risk reward. And because of that, you want to place your SL where there are probabilities of getting triggered, so the market can take you out doing that. So right now, let's assume that we have a resistance here, 1 hour, 4 hour. So right now, this is where you're supposed to enter this trade. There are prices here. These prices, this is any of these prices will give you profit. But if you fail to enter at this resistance and the market went down and start trading in this range, this is what you call a, like, this is error. This is entry. This is let's call it, this is a shift in the resistance. So there is a shift. So if you enter here, price will always go back to here. And in most cases, you want to put your SL so tight. You want to make your SL so tight that as price is going back, it's going to hit. So what you are going to do is make sure you actually monitor the market from time to time. And if you cannot be able to do it, we can help you, because we have done for you services where you subscribe to our VIP and we give you the correct trade and you make profit. So if you cannot be able to get the right entry, try to subscribe to our VIP. Okay, so that's good. The same thing happened with support. Okay, so if we have a support here. This is a support, and support created by. So any buy you take here will work. But if the market went up a little bit and you are taking your buy, it will always come back to this support to hit your SLs. Are you getting it? So right here we are going for practical part. Okay, right now this is a jump in this. I will be on the entry time frame, probably 4 hours for me to get the right information. I'll be on the 4 hours. Okay, you know that we know that really this market is more selling than buying, right? So this is a resistance. We're supposed to enter this market when it reaches this resistance and shows some sign of reversals to the downside in other lower time frame, like the refinement time frame, like 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, that is where we're supposed to enter this market. But whatever that made you to miss this entry near this resistance, and you are entering this market elsewhere, so we are going to have a resistance zone, and so this is our resistance zone. I'm going to use that week. So anything that make you not to enter this market near this zone, but you are entering elsewhere, such as somewhere here or somewhere here, there are probabilities that the market will go back and re-enter here with this actual resistance, and then it will hit your stop losses, or it will make you to increase your stop loss, making you to have low risk reward. Maybe it can pull up, but maybe your stop loss is far away, it didn't touch, and then it will go down. But that is not the right way to trade. A practical example is what's happening here. We know that here is a practical resistance, and the zone, this is the resistance zone. So you want to wait for price to tap here and show you sign of reversal, which it did with this candle closing outside the zone, so you can enter here and sell. But anything that make you to miss this entry near this resistance and you are entering elsewhere, such as here, what happens when you sell here is so small and the market push up to come back and attack your SLs, and if your SL is within this region, or to make you lose hope on your trade and waste your time and your energy. And so you see what is happening here. The market still come back and sold, showing you that you are right but your entry is wrong. So thank you. Subscribe to our VIP signals, become rich using our courses and mentorship. There is one course that is hot right now. It's about $1,500. Maybe in a couple of months, weeks to come, it will go to $1,500 in a couple of weeks to come. The name is 𝒓𝒊𝒏𝒈. Is a 𝒓𝒊𝒏𝒈 course. Is a course that will make you become a millionaire overnight trading the forex market. And right now, if you want to have access to this course, it is cheap right now, about $500. But after a couple of days, weeks, it will go to $1,500, because I put high energy level analysis, high energy level education, high a kind of metaphysical ideas that you can never see elsewhere. I make it visible and I bring it to light. You must get this course right now. Any country you are from, make sure you shout me. If you need translation to other languages, I'm gonna help to do that with clients in your country. I will actually get a client who understands English and can translate for you. Okay, or you can use Google Translator. When you play the video, is a video and PDF. You carry the PDF. Let's say you carry the PDF, go to Google Translator to translate it for you, or the voice, you play the audio, you play the video, the audio will be captured by Google language translator, and then it will be translated. But if you are an English speaker, you are fortunate, you will get the raw language, like the first hand education, you get it on the English language, right? Because I'm English speaker, I'm using English to do my content. That's, by the way, I wish you the best trading condition. I wish you the best profit. I wish you the highest profit. I wish you successful as a trader. Bye for now.